Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of retro gaming keyboards with the Camiysn Typewriter style mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard is making waves in the gaming community for its unique design and exceptional performance. Stick around as we explore why this might just be the best typewriter keyboard available in the market. First off, let's talk about what sets this keyboard apart. The Camiysn Typewriter keyboard features 104 round keycaps, giving it that classic typewriter look and feel. But don't let its vintage appearance fool you. This keyboard is packed with modern features. It comes equipped with RGB backlighting, offering multiple lighting modes to suit your style. Plus, with blue switches, you'll get that satisfying clicky sound and tactile feedback with every keystroke. In terms of performance, this keyboard delivers on all fronts. The blue switches offer medium resistance, making them ideal for both typing and gaming. And with 26 anti-ghosting keys, you can say goodbye to frustrating input lag during intense gaming sessions. Plus, compatibility is a breeze. Simply plug it into any USB port and you're good to go. Whether you're a Windows, Mac, or Linux user, this keyboard has you covered. One of the standout features of the Camiysn Typewriter keyboard is its durability. The keycaps are crafted using a two-color injection molding process, ensuring they can withstand years of heavy use. And let's not forget about the design. Those round keycaps really give this keyboard a unique aesthetic that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're using it in the office or for gaming, this keyboard is as stylish as it is functional. So, is the Camiysn Typewriter style mechanical gaming keyboard worth it? Absolutely. With its combination of retro design, modern features, and solid performance, it's hard to find a better typewriter keyboard on the market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just someone who appreciates a bit of nostalgia, this keyboard is sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy typing!